Chimenela, Telerem Chimo, one name Telerem Chimo, na Chimenela. This song today, I believe you will last long because this rain,
Wow,
this my neighbor that
Alhamdulillah.
is coming today,
Alhamdulillah.
carrying bottled water. I hope it lasts long. Neighbor.
Yes.
Wow. It's like you are packed in already.
Yes.
Thank God. Welcome to our new compound.
Thank you very much.
Wow.
Thank you very much. I'm so happy that I'm highly welcome in this compound.
You're highly welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sorry, neighbor.
Yes.
I heard that you are from Igbo and you're a Muslim.
All right. I'm an Igbo woman and I'm proudly a Muslim.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Good though.
Is there any problem with that?
No, not at all. I just want to know. I heard. I said, let me hear from you. No, not at from you. No,
Okay,
no problem.
okay. So no problem. Thank you very much.
You're highly welcome.
People. Wow.